Alright, so here it is. Here's my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. This is $66.89 worth of goods, all said and done. I had an overage, a moneymaker of $8.02, and total includes tax. For the week of March 10th to March 16th, or March 9th to March 15th, if you live up north or out of the state of Florida. So we do this every week. First day of the sale. Today is Thursday, the first day of the sale. So please subscribe to my channel so you can get do these deals the rest of the week. So let's get right into. I only did, this week was not that good of deals, and we were totally spoiled from last week. I think I did like another 4 transactions that I didn't even pull. I mean, I had around $600 worth of stuff and over $100 moneymaker last week, and some of these deals are from last week, so there's not that many good deals this week. And for me, I'm not going to go out and do these deals, do all these deals if they're not that good of deals, because let's face it, I got enough stuff. I've been couponing, and I have enough stuff, so I'm only going to do if it's really good deals. So I got 8 or so good deals this week. And believe me, I'm not going to go hungry. I got enough food. I can brush my teeth for the next 30 years. I'm not going to run out of toothpaste or anything like that. But let me get right into here. So these 8 or so good deals. And some of these deals will be going away pretty soon because the coupons are going to expire, and the extra savings book is coming out in 2 days. So we're gonna post some more videos of some other deals hopefully this week. So some of these deals I did, and did it again. Mountain Dew, Rise, and they're basically giving these things away because it's a digital coupon, and the digital coupon comes back. I think it keeps coming back until they're probably going to sell out of these things. So their regular price is $3, $3.23 with tax, but they're clearancing them out for $2, so it's $2.15. And there's a Publix digital coupon, and as I said, it actually came back for me. Probably will come back for you. And they're not at every store because they're pretty much getting rid of them, but there's still a lot of them around. So basically, a free item with the Publix digital coupon, you just pay the tax, which is about 15 cents. So that was a good one. These Foodie sauces, got some more of these. There's a free printable coupon, and I've got the link to print that below. And it's more of a Whole Foods, Sprouts kind of item, but there are some Publix that carry them. I think maybe 1 out of every 5 is what I'm finding, but I did hit up that one, and I got 2 free sauces. So they're $6.99 for these sauces. $6.99 off and $6.99 off. Made those guys free, so can't beat that. Airwick, if you got this digital left, I still have some left. Have one left. $3.89 with tax, comes to $4.18. Clip that digital, you get $3.89 off. Of course, you got to pay the tax, which is 29 cents. But don't worry, I was working up to a $10 off of 50 Save a Lot coupon. So that gave me the overage. Without that, I would not have had the overage, but I've got that. And I've got another Sprouts coupon that's coming on the 14th. So as I said, there'll be another video coming with some more better deals. Killcliff energy drinks. So these are regularly $2.99. So with tax, they come to $16.07. However, they're on clearance for $1.49 each. So for 5 of them with tax, they come to $8.01. Ibotta has $1.50 off of each one, and that did reset for me. So I did it again. So these cost only 51 cents for 5 of them. Can't beat that. All right, Febreze air fresheners. This is a good deal, and I talked about it in one of my last videos. They are regular price $3.29. That's why I was able to do it again this week. So for 2 of them, cost $7.07. And there's a buy one get one free from the PG 227. Expires March 12th. So today's the 10th. So you only got 2 days. So as I said, get on there and do this deal if you haven't done it yet. So that buy one get one free, even though they're $3.29, it does say up to $3. So the cashier can see that and only take $3 off, or the cashier can take $3.29 off. So it's happened both ways for me. And you got your Publix digital coupon. That's $3 off of 2. So that works. And then you can submit this also to Stocking Spree my stocking spree has blown up. I think I've gotten 7 gift cards coming up because of the last week. These are about $1.41 you get back when you do it to stocking spree. If you get up to 50 points, you get $10 off. Every point is $1, so 707 would be 7.07 points. I can explain it if you need more detail on that, but basically every $50 spent, you get $10. So this was $7.07, roughly $1.41. Once I build that up, and I've been building them up, believe me. So keep going. So that was a 63-cent overage. 707, getting $3.29 off, $3 off, and $1.41 back from stocking spree. You're looking at a 63-cent overage when you factor the tax. Or it could be a 34-cent overage if they don't give you that $3.29. They'll give you $3 back on that. All right, Kodiak cakes or Kodiak waffle mix. The cakes did not work. They had to manually enter. No, Kodiak. Well, they're the same. Cinnamon oat, cinnamon oat. One of them scanned, one of them didn't. With this, but they still put it in. But this, I know that you get the cinnamon oat flavor. It scans. And it is for a free box, so can't beat that. I got the link to print that below. So these are regularly $6.29 each. So for 2 of them, cost me $12.58. And as I said, you got the free off, and the free off costing me $0. And once again, helped me work up to that $50 threshold, so I get that 10 off. Another deal, Softsoap. These are regularly $2.99 with tax, come to $3.21. However, they're on sale for 2 for $5, so $2.50. Factor the tax, it's $2.69, and then hurry up on this coupon because it expires tomorrow, March 11th. You get $1.25 off. And then there's a peely. If you don't want a peely, I peeled it off, and you get 50 cents off. Also, there's a link to print a 50-cent off coupon, so 94 cents for that when you factor the tax. Royal rice, my last deal here, and I've done this many times. I've gotten a bunch of these. These are $2.19 each, so for 3 of them, cost $6.57. There is a $2 off of 3 manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source from January 16th, and that's $2 off of 3, and $1.25 ibotta rebate, so that took $3.75 off. And there was an any item rebate for 10 cents, so making that only 72 cents for those 3 bags of royal rice. And as I said, I got $10 off my total purchase here, so $8.02 overage this week. Nothing special, not a big heist or haul, but check out my past videos. Subscribe to me right there, and there'll be more videos to come. There'll be better deals. There'll be other videos coming. So everybody enjoy their coupon hauls this week.